Good morning, guys. My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. Well, today's video is going to be part of our Detailing Life series. So we have a mobile job this morning. It's actually it's a regular job that we do. You've probably seen it quite a few times here on the channel. It's that black Porsche Cayenne. So we're going to be doing that this morning. Nothing special on that. It's the usual maintenance. And then we have this back in the shop also. Now, this one was done a few months ago, actually probably about 6 months ago now. This is at the 6-month mark, and we applied the Torque ceramic shine on it. And at the 3rd month mark, it actually looked pretty decent. But now we're going to wash it today, see what's left, and go from there. It actually has new tires, and it has a lot of blooming on the tires. They're really, really bad. I know it's kind of blown out in the camera, you can't see it, but we'll show you up close when we get to that. So, we are prepping this morning. I just got the trailer packed full of stuff, our water, our cart, our soap, all of that stuff. We're going to be using the Turtle Wax Wash and Wax today. I've used it already, and I really like that stuff. It is extremely affordable, and I only put like maybe 2 to 4 ounces in a 32-ounce bottle, the foam cannon bottle, and I can get like 3 to 4 cars out of that. It's pretty awesome stuff. Very, very affordable. Nice and slick, seems to clean well. I don't know, it's just an all-around winner. So for mobile guys, it is awesome to work with. I work with it out in the direct sunlight, no problem. All right, let me finish breakfast here. Bagel and cream cheese, coffee. Cha-ching. I have about 10% left on this GoPro, so I didn't bring an extra battery. Sorry I didn't show you a ton of footage on this one, but you've seen it before if you're a regular on the channel. All right, let's pack everything up and let's go get lunch and head back home and start that other job. This beast is done. Yeah, so if you remember this, we did this about 6 months ago. We did a paint enhancement, we removed some water spots. Well, it's water spotted again. And basically that's just because of going through touchless washes and it not being dried. So there's water spots, those water droplets are going to sit there and bake on. But they can be removed. I won't have to go through an entire polishing process again. I do have some water spot removers and I did a couple of tests, and it will remove the spots. And then we just do like a machine applied wax or sealant. We wouldn't have to polish the whole thing again like we did last time. But it will be due for a water spot removal. It looks much, much better now, but it will need it. So tires were deep cleaned. We actually used the Turtle Wax wheel and tire cleaner. That stuff is strong, and I love the trigger action where it pumps out that foam in a nice even pattern. So you could see I had to do it twice, especially on this side, because it just, you know, the blooming kind of came back a little bit, so I did it again. And even though when I was foaming it, the foam was pretty much white, once it dried, it was still a little brown in patches, but nothing was coming off anymore. So I don't know, kind of weird. There's other cleaners I'm sure that could do the job, but this is a daily driver, so it's going to happen again, and we just have to keep on cleaning the tires and the wheels, or at least the customer will. So tires are dressed, wheels are shined up, they're looking good. All right, so this thing is done, looking really, really nice. Now, one thing I am also going to do today is replace the cracked Westinghouse panel. Now, I don't know if I actually showed in the video, I don't think I did, but when the Westinghouse generator came in, this panel was cracked on it. It was damaged when it came in like that. So I called Westinghouse directly instead of Amazon. They said deal with the company itself, and I told them, I sent pictures, I sent them the invoices, I told them what happened, and they sent this out for free as a replacement. So Westinghouse, thank you. That is awesome customer service. It took a couple of months to get here, but they were true to their word, and now I have a new panel that I need to replace. So let's open this up and let's see. It shouldn't be too difficult. No, it's not. See, look, I can just remove those screws right there and get it replaced. Let's do that. Okay, so I just have my drill, and I've been really enjoying these chemo drills. I got 2 of them. I got this little 12-volt one. I like it because of like the pistol grip. I can use it for drill brushing in vehicles. It's nice and small and compact, and really good quality also. And then I have the other 20-volt. It's a bigger one, but it has, you know, the bigger battery pack, a little bit more bulky but more power. But I love these. I had another little cheaper one that I got, same, you know, form factor, but this one is much better quality. So yeah, I just love these little drills for detailing. They're great, and they're very affordable too. So if you're interested in a drill like this, then I'll put it in the links down below. But I use this thing all the time. And the kit comes with 2 batteries, the charger, and the green drill brushes. A big one and a small one, and then a bunch of other accessories, lots of bits, all sorts of stuff. So it's actually a pretty good deal. I like bundles like that when they come in. So pretty cool. Okay, so here's the big crack here in the corner. Uh-oh. Nope. So this panel comes off to be able to service the parts in here, but this was cracked. Yep. So, new one. So in here, of course, the workings of the engine. I believe in here you have your, gonna be air? Yeah, that's air. Okay, cool. So whenever you need to service stuff, that's where you get into. So, cool. New panel. Broken panel. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today. It is hot and humid today. So These two vehicles are done. The Porsche we did in the morning, done. That's our regular. This one we do every 3 months, and probably at maybe the 9th month mark, we will have the customer, you know, come back in. We'll do the water spot removal and reapply protection. The protection on here, that Torx ceramic shine, it lasted about 3 months. It was barely hanging on here at 6 months, but then again, it's taken through touchless washes. Those are very, very strong. They're notorious for using strong chemicals to clean the paint, of course, but it will definitely degrade any type of sealants and waxes, even ceramic spray sealants, much, much faster. Ceramic coatings, yeah, it'll probably degrade them as well a little bit sooner, but they're, of course, much more durable than just your typical ceramic type sealants and waxes and things like that. So guys, we're done for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And if you're interested in any of the products, the tools that we use, we'll have links down below as well. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. All right, now you can go. Have a good weekend.